Hello PRT. What I'm going to show you today is how to open and use the ESF3 Temporary Emergency Power Contract Compliance app. The app itself is the one with the orange generator in it, so open it like you would open any other app. When it opens, it gives you a home screen, and across the top what you'll see is in the top left is takes you to the home screen. The next takes you to the data entry screen. After that is a review screen, and after that is a screen that shows the work orders, and finally is the non-work orders. So let's go back to the home screen, and the first thing we need to do is select our mission. So we select our mission by tapping on the Select Mission button, and then going down and choosing the mission. So let's do the Training Hawaii mission. Now you're given a choice. You can either create a new entry or you can review existing records. So let's start with creating a new entry. That takes you to the data entry screen, and you have two choices. You can either create a new entry or update an existing one. So let's start with new. There's two types of entries. There's the work order and the non-work order. We'll start with the work order. Work orders are typically cut by the contracting specialist or contracting officer. So you get a pop-up screen of all the work orders. These are the possible work orders that you can find in the QUASP. So let's choose the one in the middle, hauling, which is a pretty common one. And what we see now is that we've got the hauling work order. The standard is hauling generators for installation. The metric is the assigned generators must depart the staging area within 1 hour of receipt of the installation work order. So let's give this work order number 10, so 0010. And of course, hauling is going to be associated with the tasker. You can give that tasker 10 also. And you're going to be hauling a generator, so you'll need to have a barcode. In this case, that's the barcode. And then you'll provide notes if you need to. Called the POC upon arrival. So next thing is that you need to put down the date and time that the work order was given to the contractor. So in this case, we'll say it's on the 6th of July, and the time, it's not a very typical time, let's do 3:30. So this is the time that the metric starts from. And now we've added all the information that we need to, so we press save. Now, what happens at this point is the screen clears, and you can go on and do another work order or non-work order. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to show you how you complete a work order. And you do that by pressing the update button, and you're going to update a work order. And this shows you the various work orders that are open. So we just did number 10, so let's do 10. So now what we see again is the standard, the metric, and typically a hauling work order would be completed by the loggee. So when the loggee sees the generator going out the front door, signs it out, he would be recording the time. So 1620. Might could add any particular information, perhaps the license plate of the vehicle that it's departing on. That's up to you. So then the log is going to look and he's going to say, was a metric met? Did this depart within 1 hour? So in this case, yes. And what's the rating? It's going to be satisfactory. And again, you press save. And that's it for work order entry and updating. So let's go now to the review page, and it'll refresh itself. And what you'll see right in the middle of the screen is number 10, and it shows the original notes that we provided in the final notes. And that's how you do open the app and do a work order.